Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Oracle VM VirtualBox needs Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable package being installed first here in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that we need to do is we need to bring up our Google Chrome. So simply double tap the Google Chrome here at the desktop screen, but in case if you don't place your Google Chrome here at the desktop, you can simply use your button search bar and then search for Google Chrome. Okay? So just have to wait until you are being redirected here at the Google Chrome. Okay? So once you are here, just have to use the search bar and then you need to type for Microsoft Visual C++. Okay? Then click on enter to proceed. Okay, so the moment you've click on it, there you would be able to see different results. Okay, just have to go with the first one, which contains the latest supported Visual C++ or distributable downloads. Click on it. And just have to wait until you are being redirected here to the Microsoft Visual C++ or distributable latest supported downloads, and then scroll down. Okay, and check the table here. Okay, so this table contains the architecture for ARM64 times 86 and times 64, which contains the link of this Microsoft Visual C++. Okay, now here's the catch. You need to identify what type of system do you have in your laptop. Okay, so how you can check, just have to use the search bar. Okay, and then type for about your PC, and the moment you've typed it, a system settings called about your PC itself will appear. Just have to click on open. And the moment click on open, you would be redirected here at the system type. Okay, you would be able to see the system type. What type of system do you have? In my case, I have a 64-bit operating system and 64 based processor. Okay, just have to go with the system type that you have. It could be times 86 times 84 64 or arm 64. Just click this link. Okay, in my case, I have already downloaded this Microsoft Visual C++. Okay, in fact, I have it in my application and I have it installed. Okay, so let me just show you so that, okay, here it is being downloaded in my laptop already. So basically, this is a very harmless app. Okay, so it will only help you to fix your problem. Okay, and to access your Oracle VirtualBox. Okay, so just have to download it. Okay, don't worry because again, it is a safe application. Okay, just have to click this link. Whether if you have the 64 system type computer, then go with this. If you have a 36 computer, then go with the second. And if you have ARM 64, then go with the first. Okay. So after downloading this particular file or application, just have to install that. Okay. Once it is being downloaded, just have to install that. And once you have it installed that, try to check if your problem has been fixed. Okay. So just have to try to open your VirtualBox. Okay, then your user account control will ask you to say yes. Just go with yes so that you'd be able to install this virtual box. Okay, just have to check if our problem has been fixed. Okay, now it is preparing to install. You just have to wait again. Okay, and there we have that. Just have to click on next and just have to agree to the license agreement and then click on next. There you have that. Okay. So that's it. Hopefully this video helps you. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care, everyone.